What I got for Christmas and my first new Louis Vuitton bag in over a year and a half. Hey, if you are new here, my name is Steph. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate, and Happy New Year. It'll be 2025 when this video comes out. But oh my gosh, I definitely treated myself a lot. When I talk about things that I got for Christmas, it's generally things that I got for myself. And this is a bag from Louis Vuitton that honestly I have not stopped thinking about. I tried to get it out of my head. I couldn't. Where do we start? Okay, I know we're going to start with Fabrique. Now, Fabrique is a collective designer brand and they work with over 300 designers worldwide. I would like to say a huge thank you to Fabrique for sponsoring this part of today's video, and I cannot wait to show you the pieces. So the brand's mission is to connect creativity through fashion, and you will see that when you go on their website. The pieces feel really high-end designer and exclusive. And the reason for that is they work with designers that have worked for a lot of the big designer brands. They have award-winning designers from LVMH, Bottega, Loewe, Chanel even, and it is just the most fantastic website. So I have some pieces here to show you. Is it just me, or is it super hard to find the perfect pair of jeans? But I think I might have found them. These are the Sierra wide leg jeans. Beautiful wash, and you can tell they're designer by look at the pockets here, like just the detail that they have got, and the fit of these are incredible. Pockets sit perfectly. They have an A-line cut which flatters every curve, and I can confirm the denim feels super soft from first wear, and it has clever panels creating legs for days. And these jeans were designed by Alicia Calacino, who has worked for brands such as Max Mara, has been a Gaudi trade designer, and also is a Naples fashion graduate. Now I have another pair in here. I will link to all of these down below, but the pieces on Fabrique, you can just tell they are designed by designers. You'll see all the little details that I'll show you. So it feels like you're getting a really high-end piece, but they are at a much more affordable price compared to the huge fashion houses. Okay, how gorgeous are these? These are the Echo floor length jeans. The color of this is more like a much darker, almost gray kind of denim. We have a wide leg, and again, look at the detail on the hem of these jeans. Again, I ordered these in a size medium, and they are made from Turkish cotton. They have a twisted side seam. They're high-res wide leg silhouette with a vintage wash technique. Again, 100% cotton, and they're oversized for a more fitted feel. Now I do have a discount code for you, which is going to get you 12% off the entire site. I do still have a few more bits to show you. Oh, this might have to be the last piece that I show you because it's so spectacular. The code is 2HBH. I will flash it on the screen down below and put details in the description box for you. And this is going to get you 12% off site-wide. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Suede jackets are a vibe right now, and this cropped jacket with the kind of oversized arms, the pockets on the front, and the silver zipper. So this is the Cottenham jacket, which styled with jeans looks unreal. This is a faux suede material. This is the jacket to get this season. Now, the designers of this jacket are called Sina and Stanek, formerly MCQ Visionaires, acclaimed with awards. Adored in Milan and London, their work is a favorite among icons like Beyonce and Kate Moss. Perfect for autumn, winter, and those chillier days, a little bit like today. I think I'm gonna have to put this on. This is the Kitty Cable cardigan. I don't know if the colors are coming across on camera, but it's like this beautiful berry purple with like flecks of red. And it's a really gorgeous, thick fabric. This cardigan was designed by a woman called Heidi Bischoff, who is based in New York, USA, and she is ex-Ulla Johnson knitwear. Now that we've had the perfect faux suede jacket and this gorgeous berry cardigan, the last jacket that we need to complete this autumn-winter triage of amazingness is a chocolate blazer. This is the Leisure Raw Edge blazer, made from a gorgeous fine wool. And would you look at the colour of this? It's like a really deep chocolate. Again, your berry shades, your chocolate shades, so on trend right now. I ordered this jacket in a size small. This was designed by Mariana Catter, who's based in London. She's been designing for Fabrique since 2024, so relatively new designer. She has been a senior Calvin Klein women's wear designer, and she studied at London College of Fashion. Now, to go with this absolutely stunning blazer, of course, we needed some matching trousers to get the shades exactly right, because this can be super hard. And this is now a wonderful chocolate sensation of a brown suit. Again, look at the detail on the trousers here. We have this like leather belt. I went for the trousers in a size medium, and they have a zip down the side. And it's the little details that no one else will see but you. But can we just see the inside lining of the pockets of this beautiful iridescent fabric? Like, you don't see details like this on the high street. You just don't, and you don't see this quality of materials. These trousers are called the Dorini Mini Flared Leg Straight Leg Pants, and they're a merino wool twill. The designer is called Solar Fabrique, and he has esteemed experience at Hermès and Mugler. These trousers, whether you choose to team them with the blazer and create a full suit look, or simply wear with a bodysuit or a gorgeous knit tucked in, sensational. Now, one of the most flattering style of trousers that I think you can find on the market right now are ones that are wide leg and they have pleats at the top. So these are called the Tolerate hand sewn trousers. They have an elasticated waist at the back, and can you see the beautiful stitching detail? They are super lightweight wool blend trousers. This is in the colour coffee, and they are 50% wool. I went for these in the size small, and the designer is Jackie Sui in Shanghai. Jackie has been Vogue featured and likes to blend classical elements with modern cuts. He's also been featured in Elle and Wallpaper. And the piece that I said I'm going to wait until last to show you is also designed by Jackie Sui, and it is the Blossom Detachable Faux Fur Coat. This is in an ultralight alpaca blend boucle, and it's one of the most fabulous jackets I have ever had the privilege of trying on. I ordered this in a size small, and it's the most beautiful soft fabric. If I can show you the colour, it's like a cream with like grey running through it. You can take this off, but it's super soft. Let me take this off and show you quickly. So if you want to be extra fabulous, then you absolutely can be. And the reason I love this jacket so much is team it with trousers, with jeans, dress it up with the faux fur collar attached, or take this off and it looks a little bit more dressed down. Now, the boucle fabric is actually woven in a special way that creates a cloud-like texture, but it's still able to maintain warmth, and this has not left my back since it arrived. It's made from 40% wool, polyester and mohair. It's also got some nylon, acrylic and other fibres. The faux fur collar is 100% polyester. And my discount code again is 2HBH. This is going to get you 12% off everything across the Fabrique website. I will again pop links down below in the description box for you, as well as the sizes that I'm wearing. Now, even though I want to remain fabulous, I will put my kitty cardigan back on, because there is currently a storm in the UK and it's very dark here, it's very rainy. And it's pretty cold right now. Still have quite a lot to go through. Let's do Hermès next. I have a few bags to show you as well as the Louis Vuitton one. This was a gift from a beautiful friend called Liz. Liz, if you're watching this, thank you. And she sent me, oh my gosh, an orange box for Christmas. Like, I've already opened this up on Christmas Day. I was not expecting this. And she has sent me some beautiful Hermès perfumes. These are all the Twilly perfumes, which are going to be amazing so that I can try them out. If anyone has any recommendations on your favourite, do let me know. We have an Oud Alzen and some Hermès eyeshadows. This is called Ombres Fauves. Let's take a look at the eyeshadow palette. The packaging is beautiful. My lights are quite bright, so hopefully you can see this okay. And here they are. Plastic thing has come off, but These are gorgeous. These are colours that I would wear as well. We have a shimmery, we have like a grey, a darker, and then a beautiful pop of pink. I've never tried any Hermès makeup before, and I also don't have any perfume from the brand, so this is perfect. Okay, the next item I'm going to show you, you might have already seen in one of my recent videos, but I love my Lalaghi Beaumont bags. I've been working with Lalaghi for well over a year now, and I recently went to her London store and I picked up 2 new bags which were gifted, and I thought I would quickly get them out again because this is so perfect for New Year. This is going to be my New Year's Eve bag. This is the Maya in the Glacier Gold. I also got the larger Maya bag, which you can see just here. This is the grande size, but when I went into store, they actually gave me these as a bit of a gift. They had like a PR evening. And it's from a company called Grove, and it's a hand wash and a hand lotion. And if you are into your smellies and nice things, this is the nicest smelling hand wash and lotion I have ever come across. I like it so much that I instantly went on the Grove website, ordered one for my mum and also another family member, and they both love them as well. So if you're looking for some nice smellies, check out Grove London. What else did we get? Ooh. No, I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this till last. Let's not ruin the surprise just yet. Can you guess which bag I got? Okay, this is an order that I got from Net-a-Porter, and this is an item that I've actually had in my basket saved, waiting for it to go into sale. And it did go into sale on Net-a-Porter. So I ordered myself one, and it's probably like the coolest style and shape of a denim jacket that I have found. And I'm not really a denim jacket kind of girl, but this is from Kate, and this is the Grizzo jacket. Now, this does come in different colours. They had like a darker denim, and they've also got one with leather sleeves, but I specifically wanted this particular denim. Now, again, I'm not so sure. Let me know what you think in terms of me and a denim jacket. They feel kind of very rock and roll. I believe this was reduced down to, I think, around £500-600, and they usually retail closer to, I believe it's like £900, so they got 30% off at the minute. I went for the extra small size because they are oversized. But this, with my leggings, like gym leggings, which I wear a lot, trainers, and like a black jumper, throw on this denim jacket, and I have to say, it looks very cool. The only thing that slightly put me off is, I couldn't really tell on the website, but the stitching is actually orange. Can you see that on the jacket? So I was a bit like, I was kind of expecting it to be white, but it's not too noticeable. Let me know what you think. Is this Kate Grizzo jacket a keeper? I think she could be. What do we have in here? Oh, this is another item that I've had on my wish list for ages, and it just sold out. You probably recognize it if you spend a lot of time on Instagram watching all the fashion girlies, which is what I do. I managed to get this. So this is a coat from Mango, again in a beautiful berry shade. We're dealing with a lot of fabric here because this is the coat in this dark plum colour, and it also comes with like an oversized matching scarf. Honestly, this is so warm. I ordered this in a size small, and it's been sold out on the Mango website. I'm gonna give up holding it up because it's so heavy. But I kind of gave up hope that I would ever be able to find it again, and I did, and I'm so glad that I bought it. Now, if you didn't know, I have a thing for bags. Have a thing for bags. I also have a thing for jackets, hence why we've got a lot of jackets here today. And coats and jackets. This is a coat that I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of. So this was from Louis Vuitton. Again, with the weather the way that it is right now in the UK, I just really wanted something that I could get cozy in and warm, and, you know, just embrace the outdoors a little bit during this time. Let's get a big situation here. This is the Canada Goose Marlow long coat. So this is designed for quite extreme weather. We have this beautiful shawl-like collar/hood situation. We have internal pockets. We have pockets on the side of the coat as well, which double up as hand warmers. This coat retails at just under £1,400 in the UK. So again, quite an investment, but I can tell you, I have worn this every single day since I purchased it. It is the warmest thing ever. And tidy up a little bit before we move on to the Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you this. So this has kind of been sent to me by a brand called Esin Akan, based in London. Now, brands reached out to me and asked if they could send a bag. And this particular bag looks a lot similar to a style of bag that I've wanted from Loewe. This is it. I will put a link to this down below, but if you are a fan of the Loewe flamenco bag, then you might want to check out the Emma bag from Esin Akan. It is this beautiful, the leather is so thick, large tote bag. This does come in different sizes as well. You can like ruche it up. I guess you could use it as like a clutch kind of. You could have it under your arm, but it does come with longer straps like so that you can wear it as a shoulder bag like this. Just open it out to show you inside. Take this stuffing out for a second. It came very well packaged. Has this beautiful cherry red lining, but one of the best things, and I actually don't have a bag that has one of these, we have like a sleeve on the back of the bag. So if you have a laptop or an iPad, you can put that in the back of the bag and then that popper closes shut. You then have a zipper on here as well. I have to say, I am incredibly impressed with the Emma bag, and Esin Akan hasn't been on my radar as a bag brand, but it now absolutely is. Speaking of on-trend bags, you have been patiently waiting, and so have I, to show you my first Louis Vuitton bag in a year and a half. Now, my last purchase, like new bag from Louis Vuitton that I personally purchased, was a year and a half ago, and it was the Go 14 in the tan colourway with the gold hardware and the malltage detail. I haven't purchased a new bag from Louis Vuitton since this one, basically because nothing has really caught my eye enough for me to want to buy one, except for this beauty. I tried this bag on. I think I featured it in one of my London vlogs actually, and I tried to forget about it. I tried and it just did not work. How cute is this for the like Christmas packaging? Let's open her up. Can you guess? Quite a few of you have messaged me over on Instagram. You're like, Steph, it's not another Capucines bag, is it? It's not. It is not another Capucines. Here goes. Now I have to say this bag did arrive slightly damaged. I opened this on Christmas Day. So let's open her up. I'm just watching with you in the viewfinder. This is my SPeedy 25 in the malltage black leather. This is super quite luxury for Louis Vuitton. We have no logo on the bag like printed anywhere. We do have the little LV on the zipper. And the reason, the SPeedy is having a bit of a moment right now, isn't it? And I have a SPeedy 30, grab her actually. This is my giant monogram SPeedy in the 30. I have never had a 25. I do find a 30 is great, but it's quite bulky. And I tried the 25 on, I'm like, okay, there's definitely like a big enough difference here that the 25 is much more suitable, should I say, for every day. Put this one here so that we can still see it. The reason that I couldn't stop thinking about this bag is very quiet luxury. It's a full leather piece, and this one has the zipper specifically running down the side of the bag, which is an issue that I have with the SPeedy bag. On these ones, they only run across the top, and the bag can be hard to get into. Whereas the fact you can literally open this up and open the bag right out due to the zipper. It does come with a detachable leather strap as well, which was very important. And I've had to stuff this bag a lot because I don't know if you can tell, on the side of the bag it kind of has a bit of a dint, so I'm trying to train the leather back out, which seems to be helping. I think it's just the way that it's been in the box when it made its way to me. The bag has a full leather lining. So for me, this SPeedy, like I said, I tried to forget it, but I just kept thinking about it. It's just so perfect for what I want. Leather lined, detachable strap, really great size. The one thing we don't have is feet on the bottom of the bag, which is actually a bit of a shame. I really would like to see that. So I now have two pieces which feature the malltage stitching detail, which is synonymous with Louis Vuitton trunks. I have to say, I mean, I love both of these bags. The Go 14 was a lot more expensive. These retail at about £5,500 now. They're definitely a bit more of a showy piece and a lot heavier. This I know I will use a lot more, and it retails at $2,500, so less than half price when it comes to the Go 1.4. Did you guess what my new Louis Vuitton bag was? And is it just me, or are you guys falling in love with the SPeedy bag all over again? Because I think I am. I'm really grateful that I have two beautiful ones in my collection. Now make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I bought 90% off designer returns. Everything from Alexander McQueen to Givenchy and even Saint Laurent. You are not going to believe these discounts and where I found them. Enjoy.